Hi, welcome back. Another important thing I would like to discuss. So, what is Exgratia? How employee will be benefited or loss if he accepts in the company? What exactly Exgratia? Okay. So let's see the topic: how employee will be benefited or loss if he accepts in any company for that matters. Okay. So the first thing is that ex gratia is nothing but the amount which will be paid from most of the times from company to employee for certain loss for an employee. Okay, actual meaning of ex gratia. But what are all the different contexts you can able to find it in nowadays world for ex gratia? Let me try to explain you by showing you on Excel. Actually, I am not going to calculate any amount for that matters. So, for example, if you look at this, hmm, I would say your salary is somewhere like 10 lakh. Okay. So, assume that you are going to do your tax declaration. Okay. In your company. Okay. For example, you declared only first maybe like somewhere around like 9 lakhs you declared. Okay, so this is 9 lakhs, right? 9 lakhs you declared. So your cost to the company every month they are paying in salary remaining 9 lakhs, but you have a leftover of 1 lakh. Okay, so this 1 lakh will be paid at the end of the financial year based on your tax slab. Okay, for example, if it is 30% tax slab. Okay, so 30,000. That means your 1 lakh minus 30,000, 70,000 will be credited at a single shot on your salary. Suppose if it is 20% slab, 20,000, that means you calculate it, 80,000, it will be paid. If it is 10% slab, then you are going to more benefited, 90,000, it will be paid. This is one kind of thing actually happening in some companies. So then you got a choice. You got a thing like, what could be the chances of declaring my own tax, my own, uh, you know, what I would say, the basic and the PF or else whatever the other components do I need to declare? If you take, for example, in Accenture itself, it allows for certain level. For example, you are joined as a level 9. Okay, they're allowing you to fix your components on your own, a level 9 and above. Okay, so like it is like technical what do you call associate lead, technical lead or something like that. Okay, it starts from lead. Below that, HR only fixes. This is one thing. This is how you can able to calculate ex gratia. This is one thing is like case one. Okay, so in some companies, so case two, your package is assume that it is 10 lakh. You can write it. Okay, so if it is 10 lakhs, okay, then they will separate. So they will call it as a something apart from variable component. In additionally, apart from 10 lakhs, they are giving. So based on your company profits, they suddenly last month it might be added some 5% of your CTC or else something, they will give it as a bonus. Suddenly you will get some 1800 or else some 10,000 sudden increment. You don't think that this is not increment. This is again falls under ex gratia. It might be, it is 100% there in offer letter if you read. Generally, we have a habit of don't read our offer letter, we'll read only compensation pays. Okay, so this is the habit. Okay, certain people will read, I'm not insulting anybody. So okay, case 3. Case 3 is that this is the special thing you must have to learn. For example, you package is 10 lakhs, so comfortably you are getting somewhere like 70,000 in a month. Okay, so what they will do? Okay, so suppose if you put down papers, okay, your notice period is 3 months. They simply say that, hey boss, we would like to settle down you. your amount of 3 months. 3 months means it is 2,10,000, right? Three sevens. Okay. Maybe I might be correct for 3 months. Okay. 2,10,000. Okay. So we are going to give you this money. And apart from that, your leave encashment. Okay. And other benefits, what we are going to settle down, you can leave the company within a week. Okay. So they have a benefit after cost to the company. So employee leaves quickly. Okay. They might get another employee onto the shoes, or else they can able to save different things if they send immediately. They can save your internet allowance. Okay. Uh, like something like your food allowance. Okay. So they can save all these things. Certain times they directly put so after tax they are giving this amount. Okay, this is so like they will suppose if you don't declare, they are not allowing to declare tax declaration before leaving, so they can save tax. For example, if it is 3 lakhs, okay, you are in 30% swab, so they are going to save 90,000. Why they are doing this? It has their own way of tricking the employee and saving the cost to the company, so that if it is 90,000 they're saving on a single employee. Suppose 100 employees living, it is there somewhere in lakhs and crores actually, their benefit to the company actually, not for employee. So now you have a question: if someone is asking for 3 months, better stay in 3 months. So like, if your current company where you are, so the offering company where you are going, compared with your current offer, it is so high, you are getting more money, then take Exgratia and leave. Don't worry about the temporary loss. So you will get more money. Okay. So all these are the different cases for Exgratia from company side. And case 4, more important, in recessions, it is going to happen. Suppose your package is 10 lakhs again. Okay. So they will negotiate. For example, you are on a bench, they will negotiate for 2 months, or else 1 week, or else certain time, all 3 months. Okay. They will negotiate and they will credit this salary as a full and final settlement. They will throw you out from the company. So instead of deceiving with the direct pink slip, they will give some money to save their reputation, so that employee will be calm. So they will use the case 4. Okay, this is all about Exgratia. If you really like this video, please like it. Certain times in my channel, I'll do it for something relevant for learning for new people. So as part of my corporate learning videos. Thanks so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. So what should I do? If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And this is my Udemy forum for S4HANA sales folks. All these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links. If you really have interest, you can subscribe and you can learn SAP S4HANA sales and ECC, all put together. 20 plus courses are there. Thanks so much. Have a great day.